In this video, we'll be learning how to do a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the new stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook, also known as yarn over, and pull that yarn you just wrapped around your hook through the one loop that was already on your hook. You've now completed your first slip stitch. I normally put a stitch marker in the first stitch of the round. It's a good habit to have when crocheting. Let's do the same thing again in the next couple of stitches. And this is how it looks like after completing a couple of slip stitches. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching how to slip stitch.